YouTube fam, it's your girl CK, and I am at home vlogging, darling. And I decided that I wanted to get online real quick and talk to you guys about the state of Texas. You know what? Honestly, when I think about the state of Texas, I am thinking about the South. I'm thinking about how hot it is, because I know it's hot here in Florida. But I want you guys to know something. Oh my goodness. A lot of the inhumane actions that are being put in place by Governor Abbott, all these people who have power and influence, is really giving Thriller vibes. Now, I don't know if y'all realize it. Texas is like this little route that migrants can come through to get to the United States at a chance at freedom. But what they have decided to do, a lot of these high-level political figures, what they are deciding to do is take like these thorny little objects and stick them in the water, basically to cause harm to a migrant trying to come to the United States for a chance at freedom. Oh my goodness, y'all, it's a thriller. Do you know how many people can be slaughtered, murdered, mutilated, harmed, abused, neglected? What the fuck is wrong with these people? Why would they want to do this to human beings? Why are not all lives mattering? Why are these political figures not taking other actions, putting other actions in place to mitigate or minimize harm? This is the real question that I have for you guys out here today. Why hasn't no one gotten on the phone and demanded that their governors, these political leaders in Texas, stop these gross and inhumane actions? That's the real tea. That's the real question. Because what's going on is so grossly abused. You wouldn't think that somebody would want to slaughter someone in the water just because they think that the United States is a chance at freedom. Honestly, it's not. As a matter of fact, I want you guys to know that the United States is still enslaving people. As a matter of fact, if you look at the 13th Amendment, you will think that it's abolished, but all you have to do is look at the eye, and you'll realize that absolutely it is not. It's not freedom when you come to the United States. It's torture, it's gross abuse, it's a neglect, and the fact that they are putting these thorny objects in the water for migrants is showing how inhumane, how abusive, how ongoing terrorist acts are still allowed to occur. And to me, that's a thriller in its entirety. It's absolutely giving Thriller vibes. Oh my goodness. For the people who are going to be impacted by this, you are in my prayers. For the folks that won't pick up a phone or email a text, their state governors, these political figures, shame on you. It's time for y'all to call action to these gross abuse, to this gross abuse of power. It should not be happening. Migrants' lives matter. And there should be other ways to deter them from coming to the United States illegally. Period. Period. Anyhow, guys, I just wanted to make that video real quick because, you know, I'm home and I saw something and I'm like, you know what? I have to talk about this. I have to talk about these inhumane actions that are happening in the state not too far away from me, in Texas. Inhumane, honey. Inhumane. You know? And it's becoming a thriller. We are living out loud. We're seeing what happens out loud. So buckle your seatbelts. Have some popcorn prepared, because you are watching a thriller in its entirety. Anyhow, guys, I want you guys to know that I have done a lot of videos on my state's leaders, politicians, you know, Joe Biden, Donald Trump, hell, Governor Abe. I'm talking them all, honey. I'm talking gross abuse. I'm talking laws, rules, and regulations. And if that is something that you are interested in, it is so imperative that you comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep your notifications on so you know when your girl is online. Peace, love, and happiness, guys. I need you always out here to be safe, staying blessed, following laws, rules, and regulations, because you don't know when, where, and or how it might impact you. Bye, guys.